Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to adjust category limits mid-month in Nerdwallet. Overspent on dining but under on groceries this month? Well, here's how to adjust your budget category limits mid-month in Nerdwallet so that your budget stays flexible and realistic. First, log into your account at nerdwallet.com and then go to your budget or monthly budget section from the main dashboard. You're going to see a list of all of your active budget categories, including your original limits and current spending progress. To adjust the category, click directly on the category name or just edit the icon beside it. A small editing window will appear, and here you can change the budget amount, you can rename the category, or you can choose to add a note like exactly why you're increasing or decreasing the limits. Update the account amount and then click Save or Update. Your monthly budget will refresh immediately to reflect this new limit. You can repeat this for every other category that needs adjusting, whether you're responding to changes in income, unexpected bills, or just changing priorities. NerdWallet keeps the original and updated amounts in record so that you can still track exactly how and why your budget evolved over time. This mid-month flexibility is perfect for staying in control even when life doesn't follow your original plan. And that's pretty much it for the video guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share and subscribe for more NerdWallet tutorials that help you master money on your own terms. Thank you guys for watching and we'll see you in the next one.